Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down. Swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and somewhere between those toggles you should be able to see the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if it's not on the first page, which I'm not seeing it here, you can swipe to the left, which will show us a second page, and there's also a third page. So I don't see it here as either. Oh no, there it is. So it is on the second page. Now this is the default orientation of the toggles, so hopefully you can find your Do Not Disturb mode on in the same location as it is for me. So once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you can just, first of all, check how it's set by default, and second of all, if something doesn't fit your needs, you can just customize it. Now going into the more important options in here, we have calls. So here you can select who can call you. We have steered contacts, which are basically favorites, just contacts, anyone or no one. There's also a check mark right here to allow repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be bypassing whatever you have selected right over here. Now going back, we have also messages, same as calls. And scrolling down, we have a schedule, so you can create a new schedule if you want to, and this will make it so the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically at a provided start and end time, and also day of the week. So you can use the ones that are here. You can customize these ones by just tapping on them, and like I said, you can create new ones if you want to, but if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure it is toggled on right over here, and that's all you would do. The phone will do everything else for you. And then moving downwards, we have last option, which I will touch upon, which is duration for manual turning on. Here, this option will be specifically catering to people that don't want to use schedule. So maybe you're going into a meeting and you just want to turn off your Do Not Disturb mode for like business meeting or whatever it is. I recommend changing this to be for a time specific option right here, and for instance make it, I don't know, 4 hours or however many hours you think you will need. And however many hours you think you will need, I would add maybe 1 more hour just in case, because the way I would recommend using this is as a safeguard that when you forget about your Do Not Disturb mode, so you go to a business meeting, you turn it on, you get out of it, and you just don't kind of remember about turning it off, so it's running in the background. But because it's manually turned on, you do need to turn it off yourself. If you don't, it's just gonna run indefinitely. But with this option, after 5 hours, it's gonna turn off automatically. So I recommend selecting this to be whatever time you need, plus like 1 or 2 hours extra for that specific purpose. So when you forget about it, the device will do it for you. So there we go. Now once you have gone through the settings, whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find it, tap on it, and you're good to go. Now if you went with a time specific, it will turn off, at least in my setting, after 5 hours, but you can turn it off yourself before that time by tapping on the toggle once again. And with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.